Don't touch me. Ooh, look at you guys. Oh my. Oh, you is that too low? That's too low. He says it's too low. Come here. It's right there. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come, oh. Come here. Is that too low? Look at you. Oh, look at you. Look at you. There you go. Oh. Come here. Oh, there you are. Too small? Okay. Hang on. Come here. Hang on, I'm coming. Come here. Come here. There you go. There you go. If you're not so scared, you get out some. Come here. There you go. Oh, there you go. I'll let you. Okay, some in. A little bit more. Hang on. Oh, you're so pretty. Let's try this. Is that better? I don't know. It's fun to fly with the seagulls. I love them dearly. I'm having an awesome day at the beach. Peace.